discuss about Amazon QuickSight, which is a cloud-based business intelligence tool. Now I'm going to log in business intelligence tool, how we are going to create and develop visualization graphs and all, adding data sets and creating analysis and creating stories, dashboards, worksheets. So now I'm going to log in Amazon AWS console. If you have already an account, you can just click the login AWS management console. If you don't have any account, you can just create a new account. It's a free. Initially you can use like AWS free tier account. I already registered, sign up with a root user, so I'm going to log in AWS management console. Here, when I was signed up, I sign in as a root user email. So I am here you can see two types of users, I am user and root user. Amazon AWS free tier account is a supporting only root user email. It's free, so I am using here as a root user to log in AWS console. Whatever the email you provided at the time of sign in, you can just that email and also enter capture image. You're not you're not a robot. Then password for this one. Sign in. You need to enter multi-factor authentication code here. Uh, your MFA here. So once enter the multi-factor authentication code, you are entering into the management console, AWS management console. Here you can see the many options and services in AWS. What are these all services provided here? You can see list of the services and all applications, many things here. So I am going to use only Amazon QuickSight. If you are using first time this one, you need to just check the Amazon QuickSight. When you search in a search window, you can get the services in below list. So here once click the Amazon QuickSight, it's going to the QuickSight visualization tool, business intelligence, visual and dashboards we can develop here. First, before that one creating visualizations, we need to know about all the options and what are all type of dashboards and what are all visualization types, how to add sheets, how to create objects, how to add data sets, and how to make data source connections, multiple source data sources here. So you can check that one. Here you can just chart within a using here inbuilt AI. You can get some of queries like if you are stuck up in between while building these dashboards. Here you can see the left side pan home and many options here. So we are going to use QuickSight, right? That QuickSight you can see like analysis, dashboards, scenarios, stories, topics, data sets, folders, and shared folders. So here analysis means whatever the existing or already built data sheets and dashboards. Here you can see the list of dashboards and worksheets here. So next going to dashboard. While combining of all the worksheets, we can build as a dashboard, which we can see all related modules in a single sheet. Then stories, you can create a stories like end to end, one as a report we has a starting and end to detailed description, and also get the dashboards in between and worksheets and data sets. Here we are going to add any data sets and data sources. Already we loaded some of the data sources which we can see in list of data sources. Here we also use this existing data source to build the analysis and visualization dashboards. If you want to connect or load a new data set from your file or any cloud platforms, and just create the dataset here and upload a file or create dataset. Create data source. Here you can see the multiple data source connections. Upload a file type, you can see here, and also you can see list of data sources which we can able to connect from Amazon QuickSight to build the dashboards. Okay, this is the way we need to create the data source connection and import the tables and files data into our build area. Then data sets completed. Now we are going to show dashboard window or menu options what are all available. Just click the existing analysis part. We can see using analysis, using this data source as a analysis tab. First we need to select layout option. Enter our sheet or dashboard which one is suitable for the form of sheet size and free form. Tiled or free form, anything is fine. It's a pixel size of our worksheet. Just click create. Okay, then this is the visualization window. You can see all the options. What are all options? We can go through one by one. Here file. Here file option. In the file option you can see many save analysis. Once build complete your analysis part, you can just save this analysis as a name. Just click the analysis and save your analysis test underscore 1. This is the way you can save the analysis part. Just click save. Okay, then this saved as a test, name is test analysis. Here you can see publish the dashboard. Later we can discuss about how we are going to publish the dashboard once build all the uh, KPIs, key points and graphs, visualization graphs. Then we can share the this sheet somebody within your organization. You can just check that username and give permissions also, read write permissions, edit permissions, and just download the sheet permission. Those type of uh, permissions we can provide to the user to download or explore the worksheet. So import from somewhere this data sheet or from local. Next one is uh, these are all options, print, export to PDF. This Excel or the sheet data you can export as a export to PDF format also. You can share business users. Then edit as a we can see two options here: background redo and theme analysis settings. If you want to change the analysis setting here, uh, that settings you can change analysis part, how to we can refresh and what type of time zone it's built. Those kind of settings you can see here. Again, edit theme. In the theme you can see the many type of existing themes. You can just select the theme. It will show like a background as a applicable that colors changes, seaside, something like this. So if you want to customize this background theme, you can also create and customize the theme. Okay, then close this theme, and you can see a data part here. Already discussed data sets and add data set. Here add data set. Already we have added one more data, already added one data set from Excel or CSV file. You can, if you want to add one more data set, you can just add this data, already loaded data sets. We can just add search here and add the data set to join existing data set. Okay, then add calculated fields, parameters, add parameters. Add calculated field is nothing but a customized field in the analysis and worksheet part. If you are not able to get any calculations in your existing fields or sheet, those we need to require to add any custom fields like test one calculated field, cal field. Okay, here you can check like many functions here. what suppose we need to change permissions or aggregate functions, sum of average of these functions also convert to numeric. So here you can set just that functions, sum of function, sum over running sums. Here you can see just typing the word like sum if sum over those kind of calculated custom fields we can build here, sum of this one. Okay, just saved as a test field, sum of profits I'm giving as a profit in build in import. Here we can get the sum of profits. Okay, this is how we can create calculated fields and parameters also like this. We can pass those parameter in way, add parameter, parameter name, single value, multi value, those kind of parameters we can create and pass the sheet here. Then insert, while developing the visualization part we can add new sheet or new visual, add test. For this one we are going to add like a test one. We have to display something as a test description. This is about dashboard to uh, provide insights about order details. Like this we can also provide test. Okay, then test, add image. If you want to add something like image as a background image or image, any image to show in your worksheet, you can add image or insight. So add calculated field, already discussed the calculated field we can add here. Add filters, add parameter to the sheets. Here this is also same, insert add sheet and sheets both are same. Here if you want to operate on existing sheets, we don't want to disturb any graphs and all calculated fields. We want to duplicate the sheet and duplicate this sheet and create, this is a duplicate sheet. I want to rename this sheet name as 2. So here we can perform all these things without disturbing any existing dashboards and calculations. Okay, rename the sheet. Here you can rename the sheet. This is the one for test dashboard. Test dashboard, you can rename the sheet name and add title, add description, add title of this sheet. Title to know the order data. Order data title we can put here in the sheet. So these are all properties we can add this applying to the worksheets. Objects you can see here highlighting any analysis actions. Some based on the graphs you can add these properties later. And search any analysis, search existing analysis, we can just search that analysis. Before actual creating a visualization part, we need to know we already discussed about this menu options, and also before below menu option we can see like many options. Here we need to go we need to know each and every options by step. Here this is a dataset tab. If you just click the dataset, we can see the datasets and existing datasets here. And also this symbol is like a visualization tab. Just click that visualization tab, you can add and see the visualizations available here. Want to add any visualization, just click the drop menu here, mouse over when you mouse over the visualization part, you can get the details about that particular graph. So if you want to select that particular visualization, you can just add dimensions and measures here. You already know about dimensions and measures, right? In while uploading data, you already data segregated or modeling to the dimensions and measures. Here you can just check the left side symbols. These are all symbols. These are symbol is nothing but a dimension categories data. Here this is like a fact facts data. Here measures, you can say like measures data. Okay, then this symbol is nothing but a filter. Any filter to apply or existing visual or entire dashboard sheet, we can just create that filter and apply to the dashboard. Here parameters, any existing parameters are there, you can also see parameters and add parameters to the sheet. Okay, like this here already discussed about test object add image, some of these objects, some of the sheet properties and object properties you can see here in the menu bar. Okay. uh, Whatever the options, all options we already covered, I think. So now everything added and everything developed, dashboard and everything added to the calculator fields and parameters, every ready to deploy our dashboard to end users and publish. So here you can see that option is a publish. Once publish this dashboard, then only users able to access the dashboards and able to download or export based on their permissions. Here just click the dashboard, and here you can see dashboard name, select sheets, all sheets or only particular sheets. If you want to only particular sheet, you can just check and user add to the user to particular sheet only. You can select particular sheet also. Dashboard name, new order data 1. So here you can give owners and notes of this about this dashboard. Allow executive summary, these are all options you can check here. More options, all the options you can check. Just and click the publish the dashboard. Once published, then only you can see the dashboard to the in a dashboard access to the users. Like this how we can create the dashboards and parameters. Thank you. If you like this video, just like and subscribe, share. Thank you.